Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make your image transparent in Kilonotes very easily. Let's go to Kilonotes, open a file, and then as we would like to edit images, click on the image icon on the top and select the image you would like to edit. For example, this one. I put it here. And now if I click on transparency, then here we can adjust it with this slider. We have to go to the left if we would like to make it more transparent. Okay, now click on the top right hand corner and you can see that this image became more transparent and now the text is visible under it. Thanks for watching.